is Amber. I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Grundy Library. And today for our middle grade book talk, I'm recommending a cookbook. This is the official Harry Potter baking book, and there are 40 recipes in here. It was published by Scholastic. It looks like this. And there are so many awesome recipes in here. Some are pretty easy, and then others get a little more complicated, so there's a big range. But it comes with some really great tips on baking. There are templates in the back for you to use as you make your creations. I would recommend this for any Harry Potter fan because there are so many fun recipes in here. It shows you how to make wand breadstick. There's a recipe for Harry's classic birthday cake. There is a wizard's chess cake. There's all different kinds of Harry Potter themed cookies and breads. And then, of course, the really big challenging recipe in here that's on the cover is a gingerbread Hogwarts castle, which is amazing. I haven't tried this yet, but I am planning on trying to make that gingerbread castle. So I hope you guys check this out and try to bake some of the recipes in here. It would be really fun to use if you're going to have a Harry Potter party or a Halloween party, or if you just want to make some Harry Potter treats to enjoy when you're watching the movies. Have a great week. Bye!